Hello friends, myself Professor M.H. Annaya. In today's video, we are going to learn how to draw the isometric drawing or isometric view of a component whose orthographic views, namely the front view, the top view and the left hand view are given. Basically, friends, either in isometric drawing or isometric projection, we are going to first of all find out the overall dimensions of the object. So here the length is 80, width is 60 mm and height is equal to 60. So for these dimensions, I have to take some reference point and draw two lines. This line at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal and this line indicating the width again at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal, and so we are going to have a height equal to 60 here, 60 millimeter. And friends, now after drawing this, the dimension length, width and height, we have to observe the front view, top view and the end view and see whichever the view we are able to draw it. We have to start from that. Say for example, if we see the front view, it is three rectangles. Top view also we have got three identical rectangles, and it is a clear indication that these surfaces are all flat. None of them are inclined to the horizontal or to the vertical. Either you have the horizontal lines or vertical lines. And the end view, if you observe friend, there is something like a step, each having 20 width, 20 depth. So friend, this is our left hand view. I will call it as E, our left hand view. Here friends, let us mark this step. So this first line is this line here. So I am going to show it by a dark line. So this is the vertical line which has got a height. And then you have to move towards the right by a distance of 20. So I will take a distance of 20 and draw another line here. So I will complete that first step here friends. Similarly, again a horizontal line of length 20, vertical line of length 20. Finally, at the bottommost you have got a horizontal line and a vertical line through this. And this line is the bottommost line of this component. So let us draw that by a full line. So let me remove this construction line so that you will have a clear picture of this. Friends, in the front view, this is a rectangle. So this rectangle and it is this much behind, that is at a distance of 40 from the front. So what we do friends, we will remove all these construction lines drawn to construct the box and take these one by one. Let's see how to take that. This is the first rectangle in the top view. So this is the first rectangle in the top view. So friends, I have this line. Let me mark it dark. Draw another line parallel to that and the shorter edge is parallel to here. So this is one such rectangle which is horizontal. Again friend, there is a vertical rectangle here. So I draw a vertical line from there and a horizontal line from here, the line at an angle of 30. So this is going to be a step. Repeat the procedure friends. You have a horizontal line here, a line parallel to the edge here, and this width is equal to the same as this. So friends, you will have one more step here. Now friends, this is the front view here, and again friends, you have got one more step here. Write a vertical line from there a vertical line from there, this parallel to this, and a horizontal line through this. They meet here, friends. Finally, you draw one more line parallel to this from this corner. And friends, let us join these two ends of that line. And finally, friends, this rectangle in the front view is this rectangle. Let me complete that by drawing a vertical line through that. And this bottom line in the front view is this. So let me draw that also and complete the projection. And friends, after completing this projection, let us remove all the dimension because it is a convention in all the isometric projection or isometric drawing not to show any of the dimension or any angle and any of the invisible lines or the dotted line. Hence, I am going to remove all these lines which are not required. And after removing the line, friends, you can just show all these visible lines by dark lines. Friends, remember here, whatever the figure you have drawn here, so we have to check before you conclude whether the isometric drawing we have drawn here is as per the dimensions given in the orthographic views. Friends, I will show you one by one. See, for the front view, we are observing from this direction. This for the front view. What are you see in the front view? There are three rectangles of equal size, 20 by 80, 20 by 80, 20 by 80. So it's in the front view. If you look like this, friends, this is 20 by 80 first rectangle, 20 by 80 second rectangle, 20 by 80 third rectangle. Likewise, friends, in the top view, also we have got three similar rectangles of length is equal to 80, width is equal to 20. So the first one is here, first rectangle 80 by 20, second rectangle 80 by 20, third rectangle 80 by 20. So both the views are in tally, they are tallying. So finally, friends, let us see from the end view. So in the end view, if you see, friends, the line, the vertical line drawn here is represented here by this vertical line, and this horizontal line is this horizontal line. This is the point of reference, and if you see from the end view, you will see the figure like this, in the same shape you get, and there is nothing at the end, it's totally open. And friends, you can also see here you got all parallel lines. This line is parallel to this parallel to this parallel to this, like that. And every step here has got a height of 20, width 20, height 20, width 20. And this is totally 60, this is totally 80. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting. Please go through the complete video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share the information about my video and also about my YouTube channel, namely Engineering Drawing by Dr. M.H. Annaya. I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video. Have a blessed day.